Hi, this is Javon. In this recording, I will show you how to use the incredible power of your mind to relieve physical pain as well as promote healing in an injured or infected area of the body. In track 3, I will guide you through the humanistic neuro-linguistic psychology self-healing paradigm. This powerful holistic healing methodology is very effective at reducing and even eliminating pain. In track 4, I will guide you through a hypnotherapeutic process to enhance your mind-body connection while promoting healing in a particular area of your body and further enabling you to relieve pain. Whether you have a physical injury, chronic pain, had recent surgery, or experience discomfort associated with infection or sickness, this recording will provide you with a rapid and sustainable way to enhance your body's natural self-healing capability. It is primarily about enhancing your body's ability to allow life-giving energy to flow more readily throughout you. There is an amazing intelligence in your body that is activated when your mind and body are in sync for the purpose of healing. Nobody knows you better than your own. One emphasis of this recording is to enhance your ability to detect and understand your body's signals more accurately so that you can take timely action in order to prevent sickness or injury and to recover faster should you have pain or be unwell. The calm and relaxed state of hypnosis is the ideal way to enhance your mind-body connection as well as to facilitate self-healing processes. Studies at Harvard Medical School have shown that when hypnotic processes like those used in this recording are used in conjunction with allopathic medical care, healing is accelerated. In fact, a Harvard study showed that people who went under hypnosis every week after breaking a bone recovered 35% faster than those who didn't. The reason for this is because when you are in the calm and relaxed hypnotic state, your body automatically activates its natural self-healing mechanisms. Additionally, healing methodologies like those used in this recording are even more effective while you're in the receptive frame of mind that's associated with the hypnotic state. I think you get the idea. So now let's get started. The processes used in this recording are completely natural and safe. However, because states of relaxation will be induced, avoid listening to the following tracks while driving or operating machinery. Please note that this is not a substitute for medical health care. It can, however, enable you to reduce or even eliminate physical pain naturally and therefore have a healing effect on varied physical symptoms and medical conditions.